week, we're revisiting one of our best-loved recipes.
A little Crisco and some fishing line and we're in business.
And bringing you the most iconic dish from our Devil Wears Prada Dinner and a Movie menu.
Groundbreaking.
Welcome to Bite Club. Let's cook.
I love my job. I love my job. I love my job.
Corn Chowder.
That's an interesting choice.
You do know that cellulite is one of the main ingredients in corn chowder.
Believe it or not, there's no corn chowder without corn. And we're going to use 5 ears of corn. That's a whole lot of corn.
Easy there, Tiger.
Remove all the kernels, but keep hold of the cobs for later. This makes a large quantity of soup, but it freezes well, so it's worth making a big batch. If you'd rather, you can of course scale down the recipe. Streaky bacon adds a richness and lovely depth of flavour to the soup. Thinly slice 6 pieces and fry that off in a large soup pot. Once the bacon is golden brown and the fat has rendered out, get it out and stick it aside for later. But keep all that bacon fat in the pan and top it up with a knob of butter.
You do know that cellulite is one of the main ingredients in corn chowder.
Once melted, go in with a diced onion, 1 large diced carrot and 2 sticks of celery. The veg needs to cook down for about 5 minutes until it softens. Once the veg is softened, chuck in 2 medium diced potatoes and a diced green pepper. Honestly, I prefer a sweeter red pepper, but we're going to be purists because it looks like they used green in the movie.
That is great.
The corn kernels also go in, along with the cobs, 500 millilitres of whole milk, 750 millilitres of chicken stock, salt heavily, and a crack of black pepper. Reduce to a low heat and let this bubble away for 15 to 20 minutes until the potatoes are fork tender. Once the veg is cooked, remove and discard the corn cobs.
It doesn't make sense throwing away all those months of hard work.
To get a thicker, more creamy, luscious texture, we're going to remove about 1/3 of the soup and blend it up until it's glossy and smooth. Mix that back in with the rest of the soup, along with half the bacon from earlier. Do a final taste test and adjust the seasoning. Top things off with a little sour cream, a sprinkle of chopped chives and the remaining bacon. And remember, warn your guests, this dish is much easier to eat when you're sitting down.
Shoot.
Oh, never mind. I'm sure you had plenty more polyblend where that came from.
And if you want to check out the rest of our Devil Wears Prada Dinner and a Movie menu, the video is linked on the screen now. You can find all our recipes and any equipment used in this video on our website, biteclub.tv. Remember, the first rule of Bite Club is you talk about Bite Club.